Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to watch the live TV on Xfinity stream in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have an active Xfinity TV or internet plan because live TV only works with a valid subscription. So once you have it, you can use the Xfinity stream application on your phone, tablet or smart TV, and you can even access it via your web browser. When you log in into your account with the help of your details, inside it you just have to do nothing but to just look for the option of the live TV section, or it can be with the name guide. So when you click on that option, you are going to see all of the channels that will be basically broadcasting live channels. So you just have to select any of the channels from the list, and then after selecting it, you just have to scroll through the guide and select the channel that you want. So as soon as you select the channel, the live stream will start playing instantly. So that's how you can basically watch the live TV on Xfinity stream. It's really simple. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.